The differential equation of wave in one dimension is dou square xi by dou x square is equal to 1 by v square dou square xi by dou t square, where xi is the generalized wave function. To find the solution of the differential equation, let us assume that the wave function xi is the product of two quantities x and t, where x is a function of position and t is a function of time. Now we can substitute the value of xi in the general equation. So let this be equation 2 and the differential equation of wave be equation 1. So let us substitute equation 2 in equation 1. So substituting dou square by dou x square, so we will replace xi with xt. So here it is with derivative with respect to x. So t is a constant term, can be taken outside. So xi replaced with xt will become t dou square x by dou x square, where x is a function of position, is equal to 1 by v square dou square xi by dou t square. So with respect to t, so x is a constant term here, so x is taken out of the derivative, so dou square xi by dou t square. Now we will rearrange so that the variables and constants are on one side. So 1 by x dou square x by dou x square is equal to 1 by v square t dou square xi by dou t square. Now let us say that the LHS and RHS both are equal to a constant, say negative k square dimensionally. So dou square x by dou x square 1 by x is equal to negative k square will yield an equation dou square x by dou x square is equal to negative k square x. Similarly, RHS equal to negative k square will give an equation dou square xi by dou t square is equal to negative k square v square t. Now from the basics of wave equation, we know that the wave velocity can be represented as the ratio of angular frequency to the propagation constant. This comes from the fact that velocity of wave is frequency times the wavelength nu lambda, where the frequency nu can be written as omega over 2 pi and lambda, the propagation in terms of the propagation constant, can be written as 2 pi over k. So the 2 pi term cancels and v is equal to omega over k. So we can replace v square k square here with omega square, where omega is the angular frequency of the particles of the medium. So dou square xi by dou t square is equal to negative omega square t. Now here let us write this as equation 3 and equation 4. Equation 3 represents a homogeneous differential equation. Dou square x by dou x square is equal to k square x. Similarly, equation 4 also represents a homogeneous differential equation. The solution of a homogeneous second order differential equation can be represented as a combination of the sine and cosine function, or alternately as the exponential term. So the solution to equation 3 can be represented as x is equal to a constant multiplied by e raised to plus or minus I kx, following the general mathematical rules. Similarly, the solution of equation 4 can be represented as t is equal to a constant multiplied by e raised to plus or minus I omega t and kx. Okay. Now these two equations can be used in our assumed solution, that is equation 2. So let us name it as equation 5 and 6, and substituting 5 and 6 in equation 2. So the assumed solution, equation 2, is that psi is equal to x times t. X is given by equation 5, a constant multiplied by e raised to plus or minus kx, and t is equal to constant multiplied by e raised to plus or minus I omega t, that is equation 6. So using 5 and 6 here, a constant multiplied by another constant will give a constant itself. So let us take that constant as a. So equation 2 can be written as xi is equal to xt 5 multiplied by 6. So the constant a, e raised to plus or minus I kx multiplied by e raised to plus or minus I omega t can be combined and written as e raised to plus or minus I kx minus omega t. This is the general solution of the differential equation of wave. Any equation which is of the form of the solution also represents a wave.